Nakita na namin ang trail.
Frozen.
Walang river dahil syempre frozen. Pero at least nakita na namin yung daanan. Medyo madulas. Dahan-dahan. Naglakad din ako dito. Alam ko nilakaran ko na to eh. Nung ako lang mag-isa. Ayan. Diretso lang namin to. May tulay.
Gary's white mother and grandmother. Let me count it.
Nag-umpisa na mag-fire doon. Oh. May grupo na nag-start.
Foreign countries
Ayan.
came in and they stole our jobs, they stole our companies, they stole our product, they ripped us off. And, you know, they used to do numbers, and then we went to a tariff system, and the tariff system made so much money. It was when we were the richest from
Pahinga lang muna tayo.
1870 to 1913.
Manood ng TV.
Brilliantly came in with an income tax. No, we don't want
Trump,
this to
Trump.
have our people pay.
Ito yung tanawin dito mga kaberg sa kwarto. Ito yung higaan. Tapos, ito yung nakikita ko. Ito yung nakikita ko sa bintana ko. Ganda. Kain tayo ng sushi, mga kabergs. Ito na yung dinner namin bago uminom.
It's called the Da Vinci Xi Surgical System. Victoria's Royal Jubilee Hospital that is set to drastically improve healthcare on Vancouver Island.
Features here, indeed.
It has 4 arms,
It's got intelligence built into it.
allowing hospital staff to
Lamig.
pre-select surgery being done. The Da Vinci will then position itself where it needs to be over the patient, anticipating what commands are coming.
We're gonna basically get your
Labas tayo mga kabergs. Madilim na oh. So nandito na ulit tayo sa downtown. Mga bagong dating sa Canada. Tagpuan na